You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of the Your Creative Studio monthly kit subscription. This is a super fun subscription. I am in love with this. I just really enjoy the surprises that come inside of these boxes. If you haven't seen any of these before, I will link to another unboxing that I had done previously for Your Creative Studio. And let's dive into this kit. So a couple of things. Typically, this little thank you card is sort of a snippet of what you're going to get inside the kit. So it's like a sneak peek of the types of products that you're going to get. And I really love that. It just makes me so happy. And I love the way that these products are all packaged and curated together to create a beautiful, fun kit. So let's dive in and take a peek. So it comes wrapped up in this cute little packaging and with a little sticker, and I like to try to preserve the packaging. So I'm going to grab a little craft knife and open up this sticker seal so that I don't damage the paper. I really like to save this paper. You take a peek at this. This is great for a journal cover. It's kind of like shiny on the back. It's really cute. So I love this. So I'll set that aside. And here are all the things that come. These kits are jam-packed full of so much fun stuff. It's just, I love how they curate these things together. So let's start with, I'll just kind of put like things together. So we've got papers. All right. So first up, I've got masking tape. I'm not sure what that is. I feel like it's rice paper or tissue paper. Sounds like it. Let's take a look. It says masking tape, but it's more tissue paper. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, it's definitely tissue paper. Really cute. And then we have a bunch of ephemera and papers tied with a really cute baker's twine. So you get some little labels and cards, and those are really cute. Nice quality. They feel really nice. Oh, look at that. A whole bunch more little labels in there with numbers on them. Bunch of, I don't even know what language that's in. That's really cool. French, or yeah, possibly French. Those are gorgeous. Really pretty backgrounds. Floral images, and here we've got some textured paper here. That's really cool. Oh, look at that. That's really neat. So you have a bunch of, two of each pattern here of these fun textured papers. These, you can see the fibers in the paper. Really cool. So you get that, and then you get some Your Creative Studio stamps, and these are a clear stamp so that when you stick them down your project, they don't look like a sticker. They look very translucent, and you just see the image. So that's fun. I love those. And now you get, these look like dried flowers in here. Oh, that is so cute. Just a whole bunch of little things. I want to be careful not to lose any of that dried flower. So you get a bunch of labels, little calendar looking thing. That's cute. Yeah, you get a bunch of little calendar pieces. I really like those dried flowers. And you get some little vellum stickers. These are like actually washi tape stickers. Really cute. And you get an actual dried flower. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That's really awesome. I really like that. That could add some really fun texture to a card. I don't want to lose any more of those flower pieces. I think I lost enough of them. So I'm going to keep everything in there until I'm ready to use that dried flower. So we'll set that aside. And then you get some acetate stickers. You get these gorgeous, beautiful acetate stickers. These are so pretty. And because they're clear, when you stick them down, you can't see the sticker itself. You can only see the flower on your project, which is really, really nice. You get a whole bunch of those. You get 40 pieces of those gorgeous flowers. Look at that. Really pretty. Okay, and then we get some, I'm not sure what these are. These are just little fun little snippets of paper to make collages. Very botanical, lots of texture and beautiful colors, neutral tones. Really nice. I love the little mushrooms. This one's this postcard. This one looks like burlap. Actually, this one looks like burlap. Very nice. Now we have some more snippets. Oh, these are fun. These look like stickers. Little tickets and, oh, that's so cute. A couple more of those flowers. Look at that. That's fun. Little stamps and labels. That's really cute. That's just a fun mix of stuff in that one. I like that. And then we get some rub-on transfer stickers. These are beautiful. You get a little transfer tool. Oh wow, you get a lot here. You get 1, 2, 3 sheets. Really beautiful. These are really nice. And so rub-on transfers, what you would do here is you peel up whatever you want to use. Maybe you can trim it out or whatever, and you put it on your project, and then you rub it to transfer, and then you get that gorgeous image transferred onto your project. These are so pretty. This is right up my alley. Next up, we get a little notepad here, and this just has some various receipts and, oh, look at that. That's so cool. Vintage checks and stuff like that, and little ledger papers. That's really fun. This just makes me happy. I'm not quite sure why, but it just does. Oh, I love this old stamp on here. Look at these. These are just beautiful. This is so much fun. I really love this. Time Flies series. Bill collection. That's really fun. Okay, now we're into the pattern paper. You get 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. I think this was similar to the previous Your Creative Studio that I had before, and you get 6 repeating patterns in all the different types of paper. Look at that. Those vellum sheets are phenomenal. Those are so pretty. I can't believe that. Look at this. I think this is the sticker paper. These are just gorgeous. Look at the colors. Wow. And now you get, this is just pattern paper. And then you get what's called art paper. It's a little bit more textured and thicker. These are just so fun. So fun. Look at the vibrant colors there. I'm so excited to make some projects with these. Okay, so that's the patterned paper. And we're still in it. There's still more. These are my favorite parts. The stamps and the washi. I'm excited to see what's inside of these. So here we have a pack of washi tape. Let's open this guy up. Ooh, look at that teal. Oh man, I love that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. That's really nice stuff. Okay, and then the stamp, it looks like a little lavender or flower. Oh, you get three little flowers. Super fun. Cute little red rubber stamps. And these stamp great. I've used them before. I love them. You get 3 stamps there. That's so cute. Really like that. I'm not sure if you can see them. Try to get you a close-up there. Okay. And then we get one more stamp. And that's a big one. That's really pretty. Very sort of boho looking. Very ornate design. You can stamp this and put a sentiment or something on your card. Really cute. I really like these. Well, I'm excited to play with this. Thank you for watching the unboxing of my Your Creative Studio subscription box. I will leave in the description box down below a link to this Your Creative Studios subscription kit. I really think that if you are a card maker, a junk journaler, a paper crafter, anybody will love these kits. They're so much fun. So let's go ahead and dive in and make a project with some of this stuff. Oh, I'm so excited for you to see this. Okay, so here's a look at my finished projects. I made one simple card and a little library pocket with some ephemera stuck in it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, the unboxing, and some inspiration with the Your Creative Studio monthly subscription box. If you're interested in anything I used in today's video, you'll find it linked in the description box down below. Have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!